It was such a wonderful start for me. It was such a wonderful start. I gave my all to you in life of dreams which were nurtured along to holding on to being strong. Nothing changed but love. Surely has caused a heartbreak in my life. I really do not know how this happened. I really do not know about this void, but I surely know that I want love again. I surely know that it is all over for me. Nothing left to nurture the soul and nothing left to see. It's all over for me and my life a broken heart. It's thought to strive the shadows of our lives, the shadows of doubt that rented it all. Look at me. I do not stand, so tell my world has fallen apart since you have left. Looks like there is no love left. I trusted you and was loyal to you. I gave you my all, being in love with you. Why I ask you questions today? Why did this happen? Was not my way. I am in a state where I cannot express what I am feeling inside. It's only because of you, my love, that I have hundred emotions I hide, will not trust the word love again. It is all over for me. I love you because you are perfect. I have loved you for so long now. As every day passes by, you make me go, wow, you are so very perfect in every possible way, and with your perfection, you brighten up my every day. Loving you means I have done the best thing. I never regret loving you. Dear, it is not easy to get the right person, but I think God, I got you. You are the right person for me. I truly love you. It gets to a time I wonder how I came across you. You are just the one who changes my world. I love you not because of anything you have, but because of what I feel whenever I am close to you. I keep myself busy, much things to do, but each time I pause, I still think of you. I can't live a moment without you, sweetheart. Thank you so much for staying, even if you had every reason to leave. Thank you so much for making it so easy. When life gets so hard, loving you is like breathing. How can I stop? I love you so much. Every time I close my eyes, I dream about us being happy and merry together in our dream house. Stay with me forever. Love, the shortest word for me is I. The sweetest word for me is love. The only one for me is you. I love you. My love for you is so real that it makes me want to do unreal things like jumping on the clouds and climbing the rainbow. I love you. I am drink in your sweet and unconditional love, and I don't want to ever recover from it. I love you more than you can imagine. I have always wanted to be with you. I love your kiss, your hug, and also your wonderful smile are what I die for. It's funny how you can go through life thinking you were complete until you fell in love. Now, every time we are apart, I feel so incomplete. My other half, I love you. You will always be in a special place in my life, and that is in my heart, because that is where you deserve to be. I love you forever. Every day I want to be with you. Every month I need to be by your side every year. I yearn to hold you tightly in my arms. You are my world. For you, I would do anything. I would walk 1,000 miles. I would swim a raging river. I would climb to the highest mountain and jump off just because you were scared. Me to you are the most special person in my life, and I want you to know that you are loved more than words can describe. I can't imagine spending one day without you by my side. I need you with me. My life was a dark tunnel before you. You come into it. Everything changed once I saved you for the first time. Now each day is brighter and more colorful. We make a good team, you and me. You have brought new meaning into my life, and for that I will always be grateful to you. Meeting you was fate, becoming your friend was a choice, but falling in love with you was without of my control. I want to be wrapped in your arms forever as we look upon the stars together, just you and me. My heart beats for you, my life depends on you, and my blood flows because of you. I love you. Everything I am is because of you. I don't want the world, I just want you to be mine.